Was that fun?
Is the car getting a bath?
Yeah, because there's a bath at home for us. Because when we get dirty, we go into our bath and we clean it all off. And then we just come out of the bathtub and drive and go down and go to bed and go downstairs and eat and then watch a movie. We do all those things at home.
Yeah. And when the car gets dirty, where do we take it?
The car wash.
Yeah. Is the car getting all soapy, Edward?
Look at this. No,
Okay.
it's going to do my side.
I think it might. It's going to rinse it off now.
Yeah. Try to take mine off.
Rinsing it off?
What? It's going to wash yours off, Edward.
It's coming around.
It's coming by you next
Isn't that fun, Edward?
Yeah.
It's going to spray it again?
Yes.
Yeah. It's another rinse.
Yeah. Yay.
Yay! That's good.
Do you like it, Edward? Oh, well.
It's not all done yet. It's to spray again.
Look at that.
Yeah, look at spraying Eleanor's side. Then it's going around the back. And then it's going to come get Edward's side.
Watch, Edward, watch. And then it's getting Mommy's side.
And then... Oh, it's going to spray it again.
It's going to be on my side. It's going to be on your side. And then it's going to spray on the redder side. In the back. And it's going to put on your side. Watch, Edward. Your side and cleans Mommy's side. No. Okay.
And it's going to rinse it again. It's really rinsing off the car, huh?
Yeah, because it's all dirty. The car is all dirty. And then we go this way, and our car is all clean. And they'll dry it off. The car clean. In the back. Edward's always coming at your side. Coming.
Yeah. Now it's going to dry it off.
I like this. Let's wax the water. Wow.
It's okay, Edward. Rise it off.
Yeah, it is on my toe.
What's the matter? It's almost done. It's almost done. We're going to go home. It's all done.